All right, let's talk about the learning approach. Some personality theorists, I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong spot. Okay, two psychological approaches that might offer explanations for behavior and personality, respectively, are behaviorism and social learning theory, and both are branches of a broader school of psychological thought called the learning approach. John B. Watson claimed that external forces or influences, not internal influences like traits and inner conflict, largely shape our preferences and behavior. And this was taken up by B.F. Skinner, and he said that we should pay attention to how organisms behave and avoid trying to see within people's minds. And he emphasized the effects of reinforcement on behavior. Remember, B.F. Skinner was a leading psychologist in operant conditioning. Watson and Skinner largely discarded ideas of personal freedom, choice, and self-direction. Skinner said that the environmental influences like parental approval and social custom condition or shape us into wanting some things and not wanting others. Socialization is the process by which people learn the socially desirable behaviors of their particular culture and adopt them as part of their personalities. The social learning theory is a contemporary view of learning that is advocated by Bandura and other psychologists, and this focuses on the importance of learning by observation and on the role of the cognitive processes that produce individual differences. Social learning theorists argue that people can act intentionally to influence the environment, and they said that people engage in purposeful learning. Individuals seek to learn about their environment and have a certain degree of control over reinforcement. Observational learning extends to reading about others or watching them in media like TV and film. And according to these theorists, behavior is not based solely on what is learned from observation. We also have internal variables that influence how we act. And then we have the social cognitive theory, which says that personality is shaped and learning is acquired in the interaction of personal factors, behavior, environmental factors, and this presents a way to understand and predict human behavior. We say that individuals seek to learn about their environments and have a certain degree of control over reinforcement. Behavior is not based solely on observation, and internal variables influence how we act, like I said. Skills, values, goals, expectations, and self-efficacy expectations. Learning theorists have made key contributions to the understanding of behavior, but some psychologists are still dissatisfied with it. Behaviorism is limited in its ability to explain personality because it doesn't describe, explain, or even suggest the richness of inner human experience. The social learning theory does not deal with those issues, or does deal with those issues, but critics argue that it has not come up with satisfying explanations for the development of traits or accounted for self-awareness. Also, they don't pay attention to genetics.